Welcome to our channel. Step 1. Check your computer compatibility. Before starting, make sure your computer supports Windows 10, 64-bit, or Windows 11. Also check that your PC has a USB 3.0 port, usually blue inside. This helps you get full Wi-Fi 6E speed. Step 2. Unbox the adapter. Open the box carefully. Inside, you will find the AXE3000 USB adapter and sometimes a USB dock. Keep everything ready before installation. Step 3. Plug the adapter into USB port. Insert the adapter into your computer's USB 3.0 port. Do not use a USB hub because it may reduce speed or cause connection problems. Step 4. Download the latest driver. Go to the official Netgear support website. Search for Nighthawk AXE3000, A8000, and download the latest driver for your Windows version. Installing the correct driver is very important. Step 5. Install the driver. Open the downloaded file and click on Install. Follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once installation is complete, restart your computer. Step 6. Connect to your Wi-Fi network. After restart, click the Wi-Fi icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Select your Wi-Fi network name, enter the password, and click Connect. Step 7. Connect to 6 GHz band, if available. If you have a Wi-Fi 6E router, you can connect to the 6 GHz network for faster speed. Make sure your Windows is fully updated to support 6 GHz band. Step 8. Adjust adapter position. For better signal strength, use the USB dock, if included, and place the adapter in an open area. Avoid keeping it behind the CPU or near metal objects. Step 9. Update Windows if adapter not detected. If your computer does not detect the adapter, go to Settings, Windows Update and install all pending updates. Then restart your PC.